अच्छा, आपने ना केवाईसी की बड़ी निंदा करी है ट्विटर वगैरह पे।
हाँ.
और मैं समझ सकता हूँ केवाईसी की प्रोसेस बड़ी लेंदी, बड़ी प्रॉब्लमाटिक होती है कुछ लोगों के लिए। सम प्लेसेस लाइक द फिनटेक एप्स थैंकफुली हैव बीन वेरी गुड विद द केवाईसी। मैंने जब भी पेटीएम, गूगल पे का केवाईसी वगैरह कराया, इट्स लाइक गॉन ऑन फ्लॉलेसली। बट आई डू अंडरस्टैंड कि कुछ ऐसे इंस्टीट्यूशंस होंगे, फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस या बैंक्स होंगे जिनका केवाईसी बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लमैटिक होता होगा, राइट? तो क्या सीन क्या एग्जैक्टली केवाईसी का? व्हाई डू यू थिंक इट नीड्स एन ओवरहॉल?
So, very quick background. The whole Know Your Customer protocol came in after the Twin Tower attacks in the US. Okay, so there's a global handshake saying that we need to know the origin of money, terror financing ke liye. So these KYC norms, the fact that you need to know who the person is and their address and some identification, some detail about the origin of the money is required. And this is a protocol across the world. Now, it is a requirement by the government which is put upon the financial sector. Let's just talk about the financial sector, the stock market, insurance companies, banks. Ideally, what you need is something called a centralized KYC, which we have in India, which is in the middle of an overhaul right now, as far as I know, but has not been very effective. Okay, so it's called the CKYC. Today, they don't authenticate the data. I can put up any document, they don't authenticate it. SEBI's KYC system has an authentication built into it. That if I'm sending you a document, they will authenticate that indeed it is a true document.
Security.
So you need, so I'm saying the government has created this KYC problem. You want to know who I am. You solve it so that we don't have to constantly do KYC again and again and again. And so the latest tweet is really because I was trying to renew my father's health insurance policy. It's an annual renewal. हर साल होता है. 88 के हैं वो, 30 साल से उनकी पॉलिसी चल रही है. हर साल मैं रिन्यू करती हूँ. This year it wanted another KYC. For a renewal of a health insurance policy, you need another renewal of KYC. So I will sit, because he lives with me, I am there, I will do it. Should he be living on his own? He cannot do this. उनसे नहीं होगा ये सब. So my question is, why are you making it so difficult? Why, one, what is the need for this constant re-KYC? बार बार क्यों करा रहे हो? Why can't you solve it once? We have the technology that any change can be told to that central agency. Like, look at the way Aadhaar works. It really works very well. Of course, there'll be some cases where it doesn't work, but normally Aadhaar works very well. And a lot of the KYC is building this Aadhaar certification, Aadhaar authentication into the KYC. But I think for a lot of people, the pain points are this constant re-KYC. And I think for the super senior citizens, it becomes very intimidating. Unke haath, they are unable to manage the digital. So is there a way to give them an option to do physical KYC through their financial planner, insurance broker, planner?
Yeah, because senior citizens की एक बात तो है, वो ऑनलाइन बैंकिंग नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन हर रोज बैंक पे पासबुक अपडेट कराने जरूर जाते हैं.
हाँ, तो उनका भी टाइम बीत जाता है. You see it from their point of view. They worked all their life. वो कुछ करने को नहीं है. सुबह तैयार होके
बैंक के अंदर वहाँ पे मैं ऑनलाइन बैंकिंग करता हूँ, सीनियर सिटीजन्स खड़े रहते हैं.